host, Dr. Sosai Sanan, Abu Bakabagaya. Of course, members, good luck. Uh, I hope this is your panel live. I know it's gonna be sad, but we're moving on to the new lovely Akatsu Live. Hatsu Live. Sorry for my pronunciation of the Bluebird. Hatsu Live. Lovely series of Bluebird. I will be on their side. Uh, this is I hope we see each other, our members, see I hope we see each other again, especially with Shoko Sato. I love that one. I love that one. This is my uniform for it. You wanna one of my thing? Lovely series. Hasusuhara, the Neska member. I hope uh, I hope good luck for your final stage. I hope give our fans excitement and a little bit of I, I know I know it's gonna be trifle, but I give you salute Aqua members. I giving you Aqua's final salute for your final stage. Shao Kasato, good luck, good luck, so good luck, soldier. This is your host, Dr. Science Channel, Abu Bakbakir, senior producer, Abu Bakbakir here. Uh, Good luck, Aquars, for your final live. I will be excited to. I cannot go there, but I will watching the fans' reaction to that one.